What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded, but today we're going to be playing Jailbreak and we're going to check out the private jet. I'll play as police officer so it's more easier. So when we're going on the private jet, you'll travel by car so you know the route. We have to go to the power plant or the gas station to start off. So you start off at the gas station, as it's the more common road known to me. We're going to head to the airport. So that's where the private jet is, and there's also a code that Jailbreak has explained. So if you can see, I've gone through the area to get to the gas station. Now that we're here, we can start our journey to the airport. So I think you all know the route to get there. I believe you'll take the route here. Jailbreak has changed the map a lot, so it's really hard to remember where to go. The old map was, the easiest map I could easily remember. So here we've arrived at the airport. Bound to the airport. And the private jet is here, I believe. So let's go through here. And then we go through the path, Pinder or Pinder, depends on how you say it. And right there is the private jet. This is the private jet, which we can drive. They've also replaced the Ferrari spawn to go here, but now let's hop in the private. Well, you have to pay 5,000 for a flight across the map in the private jet. I don't know how we can sit down. Oh no. Okay, I think there might be a way to sit down, but I'm not sure. Here's the private jet flying all across the map. This jet is actually really fast as well. Wow. Whoa. Okay, so guys, this is where the private jet is placed after you take a ride. I thought the journey would be long, but actually they've made it pretty short. So now let's change into a prisoner. Well, let's go back to police officer and spawn. Yeah, I'm not sure if an ATM is here, so you'll respawn again. Okay, so the bunker area is also still there. I think we might take a UFO to go there if we can't switch teams. Now we've got a good place. Yeah, here's the ATM. So I've copied and pasted the code. So which is private jet. You can pause the video to take a second to look at this, or you can look at it now. When you redeem it gives you 10,000 cash in the Jailbreak game. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. and I'm sorry I haven't been uploading long. So there's another video. Bye.